7 persons died from COVID-19 in Goa, even as 169 persons tested positive in the last 24 hours. Active COVID-19 cases in India have fallen below 5 lakhs, as the country reported 44,111 new cases in the last 24 hours. India reported 738 deaths in the last 24 hours. So far, 3.05 crore people have been infected with COVID-19, while 4.01 lakh people have died.
The country's active caseload stands at 4,95,533, less than 5 lakhs after 97 days. A net decline of 14,104 is witnessed in last 24 hours, and active cases are now only 1.62% of the country's total positive cases. 2.96 crore people have already recovered from COVID-19 and 57,477 patients have recovered in last 24 hours. This constitutes an overall recovery rate of 97.6%. Weekly positivity rate is currently at 2.50%, while the daily positivity rate stands at 2.35%. Daily positivity rate has remained less than 5% for 26 consecutive days now. India's cumulative vaccination coverage crossed the landmark of 34 crore. 43,99,298 vaccine doses were administered in the last 24 hours. Dr. Ira Almeida, COVID Task Force member, and Dr. Rajesh Patil, Nodal Officer at South Goa District Hospital, gave details of preparation for the third wave.
Ready for the third wave. We know that in the third wave, children are likely to be affected because they are the vulnerable population who have not been vaccinated, and the virus looks for susceptible populations. So we are now focusing on training all staff to recognize patients who come with COVID, especially children. Fortunately, children will have mild disease. Most 90% of children will have mild disease. Just 2 to 5% will have severe disease requiring admission. And at this stage, we are also worried about a condition called MISC, which occurs about 2 to 6 weeks after the peak of COVID infections. So we had our peak in the second week of May. So this is the time we are expecting these patients to come. And these children present with fever and rash or other system involvement, and they will have history of COVID. This is a potentially dangerous condition, but if recognized early, the outcome is very good.
तिसरी वेळ येत ह्या एंटिसिपेशनान अशीच तयारी दवरिल्ली आसा. पिडियाट्रीक वॉर्ड आज तयार जाल्लो आसा. ताज्या प्रमाणे सिक नियोनेटल केअर युनिट होय तयार जाल्लो आसा. आतां सध्या आमी आमचे जे दोतोर आसात, ज्यो नर्सी आसात, तांकां स्पेसिफीक पिडियाट्रीक केअर हाजेर आमी ट्रेनिंग सुरू केल्लें आसा. म्हणजे पिडियाट्रीक पेशंट्स येवं ना येवं, पूण आमची तयारी ही आसतलीच. तशेंच ह्या हॉस्पिटलान जितले पळय आमचे कडेन वेंटिलेटर आसात, तांचे आमी आतां सध्या एक वेंटिलेटर ऑडिट म्हूण केल्लें आसा. ह्या वेंटिलेटर ऑडिटान सगळे आमचे वेंटिलेटर ताजी बरे भशेन आमी मेंटेनन्स केल्ली आसात. सगळे आमचे वेंटिलेटर जे आसात ते आमी पिडियाट्रीक पेशंटांक कशे तरेन आमी एडजस्ट करतले ते आमी सगळी ताजी तयारी केल्ली आसात. हाय डिपेंडन्सी युनीट हे 5 बेडाचे एक युनीट आमी कॅज्युअलिटीच्या सामके लागीं तयार केल्ले आसात. ह्या युनिटान वेंटिलेटर आसात आनी थंय सिरियस केसीस आमकां इमिजिएटली एडमीट करूंक मेळटात. पेशंट जसो कॅज्युअलिटीन पावलो, क्रिटिकल पेशंट पिडियाट्रीक जावं किंवा एडल्ट जावं, ताका पयल्या सुवातेर स्टेबिलायज करपाक आमी ह्या हाय डिपेंडन्सी युनिटान दवरतात. आनी थंय स्टेबिलायज करतकच मागीर ताका इंटेन्सिव केअर युनिटान किंवा ITUन शिफ्ट करतात. सो ही एक बरी गजाल, कित्याक डिले कसलोच डिले हो जावंक येना.
Bureau Report, Goa 365.